Ruxandra here and welcome to my new video on how to make a playlist on YouTube. And you will also find at the end of the video the technique I use to search for keywords. So let's dive in. Okay, so here we go. I share the screen with you. This is my channel. And how do I create a playlist? Where is it? From where to create it? From where to organize it? And so on. I just started to clean my playlists, and so I clean. I make like a full cleaning of my YouTube channel. I do have older, playlists which are not very well organized. So I'll just do this video for you, so I show you exactly how it's done. So here we go. Here is on your channel, but you have to go on YouTube Studio here on the right and click there. Okay. So here we go. You will have here on the left playlists. So you go here on playlists. You can create like new ones. You can think before how do you want to organize them and to create them as you want them to show up. So you just create a new one and you give that a name. You can also have recommended videos, but it's always good to have yours organized first. I just did like four new playlists: techie stuff, marketing and social media, my YouTube journey, and crypto trends, because that's my title of my channel also. So I want some my content to fit the purpose of the channel. So that's why I did this four types of playlists. So everybody understands and finds whatever they're interested in when they click on playlists. It's very important. At the beginning, I have all types of playlists, you will see. Okay, and yeah, here I gotta delete some of them. And in order to delete this, I want to delete all of this too, because this is not I want to delete everything in here. It's too crowded, and it doesn't fit anymore my the purpose and of the channel and so on. So how do you delete it? You click on edit in YouTube here, okay, and you just click on these three dots here, okay, and you click delete playlist. It won't delete your videos, it will only delete a playlist that you created, so don't worry, okay. That was my first question when I did this. Does this delete my videos or not? Okay, and you click delete, okay, and you will go again to your channel, then go back to your YouTube studio and your playlists, and you go again through the process of deleting what's not necessary. Okay, here three dots, delete playlists, and so on. That's okay. Your channel, okay. Hello. Yeah, that's my video. I have to make like a better one, new one, and yeah, you will always find a way to improve your thumbnails, your banner, your videos, your welcome videos, and so on. And you will it's a constant work on your YouTube channel on improving, but with time you will understand how to improve it better. Okay, so this is my playlists, which, yeah, I don't know what I do have in here. Like, there are so many. Yeah. Yeah, there are many. Only you can view it. You can turn to private. So you don't have to delete it if you have some videos, some helpful ones that you need. Okay, and you just close it. So right now I do have my my YouTube journey, marketing and social media, techie stuff, and crypto trends, because this I turned it to private. Okay, so right now I can go to my content. You can move your things from here also. Yes, I do have some videos that okay, so here you have your content. I moved from playlists to content because I have few videos that I don't find in my playlists. I didn't add them, so I will add them from here. Okay, so I will just go to, okay. So from playlists, I went to content. Here is your content. You can see which video you didn't add to your playlist. You can go to your channel. No, YouTube. Your channel. Videos. Okay, and you can add them to your playlist from here. So let's say this one you didn't add it. It's already added to techie stuff, which I did. And it's very easy to organize your playlist from here. I just like it to do it from here, not to open each video and do it like that. It's easier like this. So you save to playlist. Here is not saved. So this I will put it to crypto trends, because I do have a platform in which I invest, and I do have videos on that platform also, 2 videos already. Yeah, very amazing community and great platform. They will have an iOS and Android app soon. They will have their own cryptocurrency and so on. They are a team of beautiful people that are developing a lot of things. Here, I don't know if I added this to a playlist or not. Yeah, marketing and social media. And it's a little bit of techie stuff also. You can put a video into playlists if you think it's both, like a techie stuff or and even a another. Okay, so this is just crypto trends. It's a techie stuff also, but it goes into the crypto more. Okay, this one I don't know if I added to some playlist. No. This is a techie stuff, how to write on Facebook with different fonts and emoji, but even marketing and social media stuff. So you click on both. Okay. Here is it's just a short video. I didn't have the short button back then. I don't know why. I was only at the beginning. I didn't have a clue how to do it. Now I have like the short button and things like that. But yeah, I will just leave it on marketing and social media, and that's it. This is also marketing and social media. Okay. This is techie stuff and marketing and social media also. Okay, so I'll click on both. How to identify fake accounts on Facebook. This is very interesting. How do I make the difference on different accounts on Facebook? Yeah, I found out from somebody. Somebody actually showed me how to do that. I didn't know before. So how to make a YouTube thumbnail. This is techie stuff, and even a YouTube journey. And yeah. Okay. How to save all open tabs. It's techie stuff. Okay. 7 huge mistakes YouTubers make. Yeah. YouTube algorithm. So this is about a YouTube journey. Okay, YouTube journey. YouTube equipment for beginners. This is a techie and a YouTube stuff. Okay. how to start with YouTube. It's a YouTube journey. And a little bit of techie, but it's not too techie at the end of the day. Okay, marketing and social media. This is more like I need to create another like this is not about a playlist or something. It's just marketing and social media. How I find my mentor. This is more like inspirational stuff. Okay, this is marketing and social media. It's not too techy to set smart goals. Okay, this is marketing and social media, 7 rules of Facebook engagement. Okay, set a Facebook business. It's not like a page, it's Facebook profile settings, which I did at the beginning and I didn't know too well the difference. Yeah, this is a shitty video. Okay. Okay, the mindset. Don't start without the mindset. Secret to start affiliate marketing with. Yeah, that's marketing and social media. Inspirational. I'll make one inspirational one because yeah, this is YouTube journey how to be more confident on camera. This is marketing and social media. Okay, how do I start with marketing? Yeah, like a year ago, 1 year and something. Okay, that's it. So everything is organized, and if you go back to your YouTube studio here, okay, playlists. Okay, you have here all your video organized like marketing, social media, YouTube journey. You can change the name. Like I like it better. How it was before. How to win the YouTube game. I also have a video on this, so yeah, I like it better. Yeah, this is the right way. So you click save. How to win the YouTube game, because here I'll have most of my videos, how to do so many things with your account, and how to set keywords, how to set a description and so. But right now I wanted to show you how to organize your playlist, so you have specific information on each topic on YouTube. Okay, yeah, you can add a description. What are these videos for? You can add here YouTube journey. I don't know, from beginners to pro or something like that. I just leave it like that, YouTube journey. That's it. Okay. And yeah, you have here all the. Okay, if you go now to your channel and you go to playlists, you will see this is private. You have a full playlist for yourself. This is also private. This is liked videos. It's this is your another playlist that you organize yourself with, which is related more to your business. If I do it like that, but the public ones are this techie stuff, crypto trends, marketing and social media, and how to win the YouTube game. Okay, when you click like play all, you just have them here. The description, which I showed you. Where is the description? Maybe it's not updating yet. Yeah. Okay. Here I do have some old stuff, which some old links which doesn't work. I have to work on those also, and to update my descriptions on each and every video I do have on YouTube. Okay, but mainly you have to organize them constantly, and yeah, to just keep them clean. Okay, so here another tip that I want you to have is you can choose, yeah, add videos, add all to a certain playlist, but here the collab button, you can add collabs that can add videos to this playlist. Add here, add playlist settings, allow embedding, add new videos on top of the playlist. So each and every new video will be added on top of the playlist. So the thumbnail will show up. Set as official series for plays. This I didn't do it. And here add name. It's very important. To have the keyword. I just set up an example here just to give a name to your playlist, but it's very important to have the keywords like how to start with YouTube. Okay, here we go. Yeah, how to start with YouTube. And how do you do that? Like it's very simple, but at home. And here you search for videos how to start a YouTube channel is better, or how to start with YouTube. Okay, let's see how to start a YouTube channel. It's better. I think this is a better idea. So you just look at views at the time, views time. Okay, so yeah, this is the keyword that you want to use. How to start a YouTube channel. So here you will have everything that you need to start a YouTube channel. Okay, so this was the tip that I want you to have in this video also. Yeah, so this was it. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.